Hey, Mama, how you doing?
I'm great. How are you doing,
I'm doing
son?
good. Can we do some easy stuff today? Because you know how I like to cook
Take it easy. And what could be easier than Bobby's favorite, couscous with mushrooms? To you, son.
To you, Mama.
Okay, Bobby, let's move on down here and start on your favorite, this couscous with mushrooms. I'm adding a half a stick of butter to our pot and about a cup of onion. Son, let's start on the mushrooms.
Okay.
Now, these have been wiped down. Do you want them sliced or diced?
Just slice them.
Okay, well, I'm just gonna slice these up then.
And I just did this the other night at my house. I used chicken stock instead of just all water. I usually use water.
Yeah.
And the chicken stock made it much more flavorful.
Chicken stock makes everything better, son. We're gonna let those cook down. Now, son, do you like yours kind of crisp?
Like them nice and soft, just like that.
Well, we'll let those cook down for a minute.
All right.
Then we have got some chicken stock that we're gonna cook this in. Cup and a half of a rich chicken stock. This is ready, Bobby. Doesn't that look good?
All right, cup and a half of chicken stock then.
Okay.
In it goes.
Okay, and we'll let that come back to a bowl.
Won't take me just a second.
No, because I had that pot hot, honey. You want to measure out your couscous?
Yes.
And we're going to throw in 1 cup, I think your recipe goes.
It's ready to go, right?
Yeah, it's boiling around the edges.
Stir that couscous in. And when we come back, we'll
Take it off the heat.
Yeah, turn it off and remove it from the heat.
Off the heat.
And when we come back, we'll make a beautiful white fish to go with that. What do you think?
Yes. And I'm gonna dip us up some couscous, if I may.
Please do.
Looks delightful. The mushrooms and onions are, you can like still see them. Let me get our fish.
Yeah.
You cook the fish perfectly. You see, y'all, you can still see that it's moist.
It's like a really nice, perfect medium.
Right on the money. How about a little crusty bread?
All right. You mind if I go ahead and try this?
No, honey, you dig in. Is it like wonderful?
The zesty basil butter is what makes it.
Look here.
It's all about balance.
Bobby, this couscous is out of this world. You know, the only flavors I'm getting is like garlic and butter.
Those are good flavors to get.
And a little basil. Bobby, you know, you've been talking about balance and all that
We're going to
stuff.
balance it out?
Yeah, we're going to balance it out.
What are we balancing
We're
next?
going to even the playing field, honey.
Maybe Sam will stop by.
You think you would?
So what we'll do is I'll
think he
introduce you to the man who introduced me to balance.
Well, see, I know Sam.
Well, I know, but they
Poor
don't.
thing, he's been trying to balance me for years.
Well, good luck with that.
Sorry, Sam.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.